Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of handheld massagers, and I've got a game-changer to share with you. This is the MEGAWISE Handheld Deep Tissue Neck Back Electric Massager. Now, before we delve into the specifics, let me tell you why this is hands down the best handheld massager on the market. First off, let's talk about performance. The MEGAWISE massager boasts an advanced 3,600 revolutions per minute motor that runs quietly while delivering powerful percussive massages up to 8 mm below the skin. With 3,600 pulses per minute, it penetrates sore and stiff muscles like no other, providing relief for those persistent aches and pains. And here's the kicker: despite its powerful motor, this model is quieter than most of its competitors, thanks to enhanced noise reduction technology. So, you can enjoy your massage without disturbing the peace. Now, let's talk about design and quality. The MEGAWISE massager is ergonomically designed for easy and comfortable grip. With a 120-degree radian curved shape that perfectly accommodates the physiological curvature of the human spine. Made with high-quality materials, every piece undergoes rigorous testing to ensure top-notch quality before shipping. But that's not all. Safety is paramount with this massager. It features a safety knob to prevent injuries during vibration, and a 15-minute automatic shut-off timer to prevent overheating. So, you can massage with peace of mind. Now, let's talk versatility. Whether you prefer a gentle massage or an intense deep tissue session, the MEGAWISE massager has you covered. With 5 modes and 5 speeds to choose from, you can customize your massage experience to suit your needs. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a handheld massager that delivers unparalleled performance, ergonomic design, safety, and versatility, look no further than the MEGAWISE Handheld Deep Tissue Neck Back Electric Massager. Trust me, you won't regret choosing this powerful product. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, happy massaging.